Okay, so we just purchased this Slinger V2 72-inch ceiling fan. Bought it at Lowe's, about $300, and we're going to unbox it right now in this video, and then we will try to install it on a sloped ceiling. Here you could see the guy said at the store that it's the strongest fan that they had, with an airflow of 6,830 cubic feet per minute, and a yearly energy cost of $6 at about 20 watt operational energy. It's a very large fan, and it's actually the most efficient that I found at the store. All the other fans that had smaller blades required more electricity. So we're going to open it and install it and see how it works out. We also purchased separately a 12-inch extension pole for our sloped ceiling so that the fan blades won't hit the ceiling. Okay, now we're going to unbox the fan. So I had already cut the tape that was here. Okay, let's see. So there's a warning here. It is important that you read the instructions found in the owner's manual. Okay, of course. Okay, let's see. We're going to remove this and remove this. Okay, and it looks like we have here the fan blades. Attention, do not use this fan with a dimmer switch or variable speed wall control. Using a dimmer switch or variable speed wall control will damage the fan. Okay, put this aside. What do we got here? We got the blades. We got some clamps for the blades. This is probably for the wall mount. The ceiling mount. This looks like the remote control is here, and some other fuse box. Okay, what do we have here? Two pieces. Okay, some other lids. Screws. Oh, this is a 6-inch mount, but we're probably not gonna use this one. We're gonna use the longer one. And here there's sort of, I don't know. Okay, we'll find out what this is for. Okay, let's open it. All right, look at this. Now here's the fan itself. Okay. Oh, this is the lamps, the LED lamps. Okay. Wires. Okay. I don't know. Something else. And what are these? Okay. Some more brackets for the fan blades. Looks pretty heavy duty metal. Okay. And over here we have some other pieces. I guess this is for the top. Something like this. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Okay, that's it. Okay, we're finalizing the installation. We're putting in the blades. As you can see, we had a bit of a problem here. We weren't able to fit in the remote sensor underneath here because of the sloped ceiling. So we had to put in some metal spacers here, and that left a gap. So we're going to have to maybe put some putty here or something in order to seal it up. But that's a problem that we noticed with the design. I hope this helps you guys to make your decision, in making your decision. There are 9 blades, and they're fairly straightforward to install. You take, once we put in the fan mounted the fan to the ceiling, we just put in the blades one by one. There are 2 pieces here. One comes here on this side, one comes on this side. My mother's installing them, is putting them together, and then I take the blade and I put it onto these. But one thing to notice, there are 2 different screw types. The 1/4 inch, sorry, the 3/8 inches for this part, for the blade between the 2 metal clamps, and the 1/4 inch is to get down to connect the blade to the main fan motor. We're screwing in here the last blade, last one of the 9, and we'll give it a test. Okay, so we have installed the fan, and now we're going to turn it on just to see how the wind flow goes. So here we have the remote control. I press fan on and up to get things to go. Let's see here. There we go. 1, 2. Should start going. Oh, the power is on. Okay. Okay, so we realized why it's not working. Turns out that PG&E has emergency power shut off and turn off the power for the entire neighborhood. So we're going to have to wait for this. Okay, we installed the lamp, the LEDs inside, and we put in the glass cover here when you just twist it. But, unfortunately, we can't check if everything is working right now because we are still under a power shut off from PG&E. So we'll keep you posted. We'll let you know when things come back on. Okay, we have restored electricity, and now let's test it. So I press on, and it should turn on. I think you need to press once here and then on the button here. And now it's on should be on the lowest setting. I can also turn on the light. Okay, and you see it's not, you have this gauge here. This feels very nice. You get a nice breathe. And I'm going to turn it up the speed. So now this is the highest speed that it goes. So it's not very fast. I'm a bit disappointed about the speed. I would have liked it to go faster, but you still get a nice breathe. And the light, you can increase the intensity of it, or you can dim it.